Hello, it's Facebook Live day. It's Thursday and hopefully I've got internet. I'm just out in the mountains today and actually that looks like a ball field, but there are mountains behind there, you can see. And it's a very gray day today, raining and a little bit of snow, so it's kind of whatever, but I still got a nice walk in. Oh, let's get some better color on here. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about the Savvy Minerals. So that's the new makeup line that Young Living just launched, and it was created by a Young Living distributor down in the States who has some background in cosmetology, and she created a line of makeup and then pitched it to Young Living, and Young Living bought it from her. So it's a really, really cool story. There's a video on it if you want to know more about that. So the whole idea was to create a makeup line that is free of toxins and chemicals and that follows along with Young Living's stance of clean and pure ingredients and all of that. So I was super excited to see that and to be able to move over some of my makeup, although I don't wear that much. But when I start running out of the stuff that I have, to move it over to Young Living. And we can buy piece by piece, or as maybe you saw, there's going to be a starter kit coming, which will be a whole kit of the makeup stuff. So that's going to be pretty exciting. I look forward to seeing what is that going to be. So today I've just got, I'm just working with the color here. It's just really dark. That's a little bit better. So I've just got one piece so far, and that is the lipstick. I was out of lipstick and I thought, well, I got to buy some anyway, so I might as well buy it from Young Living and give it a go. So I'm super sensitive to fragrances in lipsticks. A lot of lipsticks have fragrances in them. I don't know if you've noticed that before, but I've had a MAC before in years past and opened it up and smelled it and been like, oh my goodness, they put perfume in it. And I can just smell it all day and I just really don't like it. So this had to pass the sniff test, and it did. So when I got it, I gave it the sniff test, and I smell really nothing. Maybe a bit of wax, which is probably in the base, but that's it. I don't even think there's essential oils in it. It's just all pure good stuff. I meant to look up the ingredients so I could tell you. Actually, the box is here. It might even be on the box. It does have the ingredients in the box. Castor seed oil, that's probably what I'm smelling. Sweet almond oil, wax, beeswax, vitamin E, which is a preservative, titanium dioxide and iron oxide, and which are the minerals, magnesium violet, which is the color, mica, and tin oxide. So those are all the minerals that are in it as well. So pretty clean ingredients. I can look up any of those. I know most of all what those ingredients are. I probably would look up what the oxides are, but I think those are the minerals. And the color is not, it's just looks like a natural color. So totally, I'm okay with that. This is going on my lips, so it's going to go in my body. And I'm totally happy with all of that. And yeah, there's no essential oils in the lipstick. So I really like it. Oh, let's not put it on. I could break the whole top off, right? So it's quite smooth, glides nicely. Yeah, and I think that I put it on just a couple of times and it's got great lasting durability. Can you see my lips? Oh, the color is challenging today. Sorry. So anyway, I really like that. This color is called Wish, and it's a bit of a light pinky tone. So I quite like that. It goes with what I have. So do you have any Savvy Minerals yet? If you do, can you please post which items you have, maybe include a picture if you wish, and how you like it. And even if you've gotten something, because it's a makeup product and it's hard to be able to test them, Young Living is easily accepting returns. So no worries if you get the wrong color, if you get the wrong shade of eyeshadow or your foundation, no worries. That just send it back and they'll either exchange it or return it or refund you either way. But give it a go, and please post down below what you have so far and see who's ahead of me in their Savvy collection. And I'm looking forward to building that collection bigger and maybe even doing some classes on makeup application. That was what I did in my past life. I was a makeup artist, and although you can't tell now because I really don't wear a lot of makeup, but maybe I can share a few tips about that as well. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. And please post below if you've got any savvy questions or if you've got savvy collections already. And we will chat with you soon. Bye-bye.